crazy. I would not drive my drift car in this weather.
Pretty open.
Yeah. Dang. Now I wish I brought mine. Dang, now I wish I brought mine. We could have fucking tandem, and I feel like I'm missing out now.
One sec. I gotta check the fender. She's rubbing a little.
Oh, it's the snow. You're caught up right there.
Oh, we Gucci.
Rubtastic.
Is it too loud?
I don't know. You're pretty quiet for like you. It's not that bad.
Oh, it's water right there. Oh, it's cold out here. Oh, it's wet too.
You think you could do some tight ones around me?
Yeah.
I'll stand over there.
No, we're Gucci.
Sick. So that's it?
Yeah. Probably head out.
Yeah.
It was fun though.
I had fun for you. I was kind of really jealous until we just kept driving.
Yeah.
Every time we leave a spot, I'm not jealous anymore.
Goddamn, dude. Fucking no room back there.
Yeah. Sheesh. Well, I've been buying a lot more stuff. So it's time for another unboxing. Someone please take my card away because I am a mess right now. But with taking a break from car stuff and getting into film cameras, I have been non-stop buying film related gear and just getting my eye for photography back. So excited about that, but got 3 boxes of Portra 400 film. I just feel like I have to grab as much film as I can while I see it available. Next up, this is from Moment, another film camera related item. Wow, it's small, packed really small. It is whoa! this long weekend 5 film roll bag pouch. Has a divider to separate the film from shots that are film being taken and ones that are unused. But love the material on this. Shout out Long Weekend and Willem for making this product. Can't wait to try it. And I also got some Lomo 800 film on the way. Been meaning to try that as well. And lastly, I have something personal. Oh, sick, this is packaged really well. Wow. Shout out to the seller. Trans World, Dylan Reader, Atiba shot this, Mark Oblo made this cover, but this is in tribute to the late, great Dylan Reader, a real inspiration to me. Basically, the epitome of style on and off the board. Passed away years ago, and very stoked to have this in the collection. Can't wait to go through all of it. Wow. But that's it for now. I hope. I need to relax. So film, Long Weekend pouch, Trans World, or the skateboard mag, my bad, magazine, and this new Olympus XA that I got. Been shooting with this, already got 1.5 rolls done. So gotta take it to a film lab whenever I have the chance to see if I'm complete garbage at taking photos with it. Same with this, Minolta. Excited to see how this does when I get the film back. Probably just put them on my Instagram. You can follow me at Potentials. And unboxing done. Those looking for car content, don't worry, that's going to be coming soon. Me and Team Outsider have the next couple months planned out. It's going to be really exciting, and I have a few things I need to check off on the list of prep, but I also have this stash just chilling of stuff that needs to get installed. But it's been snowing here in Virginia, so don't really want to work on the car or do anything outside. Specifically, just getting angry at anything with cars because I hate working on cars by myself. Hopefully my friends are free and will make the process less miserable for me, but don't worry, yeah. Drifting, IS300, Outsider stuff, coming real soon. We got big things in the works like stickers and that's the quick update.